In a quaint village, a young boy named Arav lived with his grandfather, a skilled potter. Arav was curious and full of energy, but he was also very impatient. One sunny afternoon, as he watched his grandfather expertly work the pottery wheel, Arav's excitement bubbled over. He thought it looked so easy and felt confident in his abilities. He rushed to the wheel, eager to show off his skills. With quick, hasty movements, he shaped the clay and made a pot in no time. Proud of his creation, he admired it for just a moment before his grandfather suggested they dry it in the sun for 3 days before testing its strength. Arav frowned at the thought of waiting so long, but reluctantly agreed. Finally, after 3 days, they were ready for the test. They tapped Arav's quickly made pot, which cracked instantly. Meanwhile, the pot that had been dried patiently stayed firm, creating a satisfying sound. Arav learned that good things take time, and that the strength of both pots and people comes from careful, deliberate effort.